Hello guys, I'm Sunil Oli. It's my assignment for Skyfi Lab. Today we are going to analyze and design the tall building using ETF software. Here the question for us, it's a 23-story building. We are given the dimension of building, column, beam, and the slabs also. We are using auto draw cladding for the wall. As we can see, the different stories have different live load acting on them. So we are going to assign the live load accordingly. Let's start the design. Basically, here are four steps in design the building. First, we are designing the material properties which are using. So we are using M40 grade of concrete SOST 500 and mile 250 of reinforcement bar. So again, we are going to define the section properties for beam and a column. So here we are using a property of auto select, which is auto select the beam and column section, which are suitable for designing. Again, we are going to define the slab. We are using 150 thickness of slab as usual. After defining beam, column, and slabs, we are going to define the load pattern. So here we can see the dead load, live load, and the wind load, which are acting on the building. After defining the properties and load pattern, we are going to draw the beam, column, and slab for the various story as given the problem. As we can see the diagram. After drawing, we are going to assign the dead load, live load, and the wind load, which are acting on the building. We can see the different loads acting on the build cell, and we can see the dead load which are acting similarly. We can see the live load which are acting. First, the wind load. We can change the property of wind load, and we can see the different wind load acting on the different stories. For wind load calculation, we use IS 875 par 3 Indian Standard Code for assigning the wind load coefficient which are acting on the building. So after assigning the load, we will run the analysis for the building. So we are going to run the analysis for the building. It's taking some time. As it 23-story building, we will wait for a few minutes. So have you can see reflection of different members. Similarly, we can go and see the different force and which are acting on the mass. For example, we want to see the stresses of shear force. You can see the shear force acting on the different members for moment. To see the moment, after running analysis, our last step is the design check according to the standard code. We are going to run the design check on each member, and we can see if they are failing and passing on our standard defined members. It's taking some time, as we can see. The reinforcement, the longitudinal reinforcement of which section. After that, we can go to verify our member passed. We can see that all concrete from was the design check, which means our building design is complete. Also, we can go to the report section, and we can see the summary of the building where all that necessary information are given. we can zoom it and see the different forces, stresses which are acting. So uh, here we can see. Thank you everyone and Skyfi Lab